Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Elron coming in at number 44. Elron with the ticker EGLD. So for EGLD against USDT, look at this. What happened? There was a super rally that came in 17 freaking percent, right? For Elron. I think I said that for Elron, we were expecting EGLD, we're expecting a wave 5 to complete for Elron, right? Yeah, it feels like our descent. We were already aware last week, right? We were saying that the descent is actually slowing down. So we were kind of like, does this mean that we're going to see some sort of a spike? And eventually the spike came. Ta-da! Right, so when you see something like this, right, something like a falling channel. And falling channels usually break up. And so we did break up for Elron against USDT. But the question I still have for Elron is, are we still going to build, maybe a larger descending triangle and we continue heading lower for Elron? Yes? No? Not too sure. This doesn't really look to me like a bullish reversal chart pattern, so if anything, I would still assume that Elron has more downside. I'm not too sure. It's very difficult to trade Elron against USDT at this point of time. We're still a long ways off of the skinny pink line. So if anything, if Elron were to develop bullishly, more likely than not, we might get something like this, right? Value 1, value 2, value 3. Some sort of an ascending triangle, right? As the skinny pink line comes down and then boom, we break upwards above the skinny pink line. So that would be great though, but yeah, I just don't see it happening for Elron, not at this point of time. Not against USDT, but against BDC. Elron against USDT feels to me like it's completing a wave 2. So normally when waves move towards the upside, when waves move impulsively towards the upside, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so it feels to me like we are at a wave 2. Ta-da! We're here. So, I would expect a 3 and a 4 and a 5 eventually. Something like that. So, at this point of time, again, we're still under the skinny pink line, but we are closer to the skinny pink line compared to Elron against USDT. And we have a target fresh out of the oven. And yeah, we might get something like this, right? This could be a inverse head and shoulders. Very mini right shoulder over here. And then we break the skinny pink line. We might break out a little bit, hang around here above the support. As the skinny pink line comes down, we break the skinny pink line. Whoa, this would be great though. But then again, we gotta be very, very careful about rushing to anything. We need to see some confirmation first before doing anything for Elron against BDC. But I feel like Elron BDC could be gaining ground. The dominance of Elron could be increasing. Right, let's check Elron dominance. Yeah, so Elron dominance could be increasing. This would be a 1, 2, again, 3, 4, 5. Wow, okay. So we're not too sure. I'm not saying this is confirmed, but yeah, potentially there could be more upside to come. This is a bullish engulfing candlestick. Yeah, there could be much more upside to come for Elron against yeah, especially for Elron against BDC. I feel like the play is for Elron against BDC. So if anything, I'd probably be watching out for a potential valley, right? Elron's valleys for BDC is very rugged, right? Up and down and up and down and up and down. But if you look very carefully, right, this is a 1 valley. This is a 2 valley, right? So there could also be some up and down and up and down and up and down, right? Yeah, you have to look very closely in detail and potentially you could see it, right? But anyway, we've already acquired a target for Elron against BDC. We're still expecting it to eventually break the resistance and to head towards Valhalla, right? But again, we're still under the skinny pink line, so let's just take things one step at a time. All right, I guess that's it for my Elron technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Right, see you. Ta-da.